Hey everyone, welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we're going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: fixing a broken water line. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. When dealing with a broken water line, it is crucial to follow the correct method to ensure a successful repair. This guide will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to fix a broken water line efficiently. Steps to fix a broken water line. Step 1. Locate the broken water line. Before proceeding with the repair, you must first identify the exact location of the broken water line. This can usually be done by looking for water pooling, damp spots, or a decrease in water pressure. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Once you have located the broken water line, the next step is to turn off the water supply to prevent any further leakage. This can usually be done by shutting off the main water valve. Step 3. Assess the damage. After turning off the water supply, assess the extent of the damage to determine the best course of action for the repair. This will help you decide whether to repair the damaged section or replace the entire pipe. Step 4. Gather necessary tools and materials. Before starting the repair, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials on hand. This may include a pipe cutter, replacement pipe, fittings, wrenches, and pipe sealant. Step 5. Cut out the damaged section. Using a pipe cutter, carefully cut out the damaged section of the water line. Make sure to make clean and straight cuts to ensure a proper fit for the replacement pipe. Step 6. Prepare the pipe. Once you have removed the damaged section, prepare the pipe for the new fitting. Clean the ends of the pipe thoroughly and make sure there are no burrs or debris that could prevent a proper seal. Step 7. Connect the new pipe. Install the replacement pipe and fittings according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure to use the appropriate connectors and sealants to ensure a watertight seal. Step 8. Test for leaks. After connecting the new pipe, turn the water supply back on and check for any leaks. Inspect the repaired section carefully and tighten any fittings if necessary to prevent leaks. Step 9. Backfill and compact the soil. Once you have confirmed that there are no leaks, backfill the trench with soil and compact it to secure the new pipe in place. Make sure the area is properly filled and compacted to prevent any shifting or damage to the repaired section. Following these steps will help you successfully fix a broken water line. Always remember to prioritize safety and follow proper procedures to ensure a lasting and effective repair. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on fixing a broken water line. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.